Hello and welcome to Financeable. On this new video on how to log into Robeco mutual fund accounts. If you are new subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly you need to open the web browser of your choice, and in the top of the web browser there will be a search bar. Click on the search bar and type Robeco mutual fund login and press enter in the keyboard in the search result. So this one to you just have to click on the first search result, that is investor login. Just click on it and the login portal will be open right in front of you. You have to wait for a few seconds, a few minutes, depending on the internet connection. So they have declared that US person or resident of Canada cannot take part in Canada Robeco. So you just have to click on I am not US person or resident of Canada. After that, there are options for you to sign in and sign up. And if you haven't made an account yet, user can just click on the sign up and follow through the process and instruction given to you by Canada, and you will be able to sign up successfully. And after sign up, you just need to come back to the sign in space where you need to enter your username or PAN number, or you need to enter your password. And if you have forgotten your password, you can just click on the forward password that is just below the password, and you will be able to retrieve or change the password. When you have done that, just fill up the username or PAN box and fill up the password box and click on the sign in button that is right here, and you will be able to log in into Robeco mutual fund account. So if this video was helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.